Hey everyone, welcome back to Anthony Knows. No judgment, your story matters. Today's tale takes us straight into the steam and sucks of a Japanese sento, where one listener accidentally grabbed their friend's underwear instead of their own. Then step out the changing room only to hear, "Hey, that's my pants." Imagine the scene, crimson cheeks, wide eyes, everyone suddenly aware of your personal laundry drama. Yet, first off, if you ever blushed so hard you could light up a room, you're in good company. Psychologists tell us that embarrassment is just social. Fear turned up to 11, our brain way of worrying about what others think. But here's the twist, that same emotion can bond us as soon as the horror wears off. A Cornell study even shows that sharing an embarrassing story boosts friendship and trust. So your sento sip-up could become legend among your circle. Step 1. Breathe and reframe. Anthony's rule of embarrassment says you get two choices. Let the shame sink you, or always like a champion. Turn that hot moment into a funny anecdote. Picture yourself on stage, and then I strutted out in bright neon underpants. Suddenly, you are not a victim. You're the comedian. Step 2. A little self-compassion goes a long way. Treat yourself like you would a friend who messed up. You wouldn't scold them forever, so cut yourself some slack. Dr. Christine Neff, the leading self-compassion researcher, says that giving yourself kindness lowers stress and helps you bounce back faster. Step 3. Sneak in a life hack. Next time you hit the sento, try labeling your clothes bag with a bright ribbon or using a different color laundromat. A tiny tag or unique pattern will make your stuff stand out among a dozen plain towels and ropes. Problem solved. Now, what about Miss Pants Clayman, your buddy? If he's still teasing, meet him with humor. Start with an apology. "Sorry for the impromptu underwear swap," and suggest a playful penalty. Maybe he owes you a coffee, or you both donate to charity in each other's names. You turn tension into laughter and strengthen your friendship. Finally, remember that every embarrassing moment is also a story waiting to be told. Host your own Oops Night with friends, where everyone shares the worst thing they've ever done in public. You'll discover that the best remedy for embarrassment is good company and a hearty laugh. So next time you find yourself trapped in someone else's breeze, take a deep breath, crack a smile, and know you are in good company on Anthony Knows. Keep those stories coming, because here, there's no judgment, only the power to turn facepalm moments into unforgettable life lessons. Thanks for tuning in.